Hi. So if you've just installed VS Code on your computer and you have met this welcome note and you're wondering how can you remove this, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove welcoming note on Virtual Studio Code Editor. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So each and every time you install your VS Code on your computer, you will be met with this opening message. To remove it, head over to the welcoming note that is on top here and click on close, and as you can see, it will be removed. We also have these release notes. If you are not interested with them, you may want to close them by just clicking on the close here. And here we have now a clean interface to start our editing. From here, you can now proceed and click on file to create a new file, or even open files, folders, and even recents. So that's how you can remove a welcoming note on Visual Code Studio. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.